In this video, we are going to go over an example of how to decide whether a given function, is even, odd, or neither. In particular, we are going to do number 8. The other 3 problems were done earlier in class. All right, so just to remind you, how do we know if something is even or odd? If it's even, we will know this is true if f of negative x is equal to f of x, and it will be odd if f of opposite x is equal to negative or opposite f of x. All right, so let's look at p. Let's look at px. P of x is equal to the absolute value of x plus 7. Now you always start, no matter what, if you're trying to decide if it's even or odd, you always plug in negative x. And remember, the absolute value of negative x will be the same as the absolute value of x, right? No matter what x is, these are always equal. You always get the positive version of x in this case. And so I'm going to change this to this, and we can see that p of opposite x is equal to the absolute value of x plus 7, which is really the same as p of x. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to put that plus 7, and that just comes from right here. So, since p of opposite x is equal to p of x, we conclude that p of x is even. Okay? Now, one thing I do suggest you do, this is, again, explaining how to decide if a function is even, odd, or neither algebraically. But I always suggest that you check your work using a graphing calculator. So let's go ahead and do that. And our function was the absolute value of x plus 7. You know what, let me reset this real quick. All right, absolute value of x plus 7. And we can see that this fairly clearly has a symmetry about the x, or about the y-axis. The y-axis is the line y equals 0, or x equals 0, and you can see that that line acts as a mirror line on this function. All right, so our answer was correct. P of x is even. All right, and we are done. See you in the next video.